woman on menses, can she pretend to pray in front of brothers or sons to avoid questions? You can't pray salah when you're on your menstruation, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded you not to pray. And it's a sin to pray salah when you're on your menstruation, because the sharia, the legislator, Allah told you not to pray. Allah tabarak wa ta'ala, He told you to stay away from the salah whilst you are in the state of menstruation. So praying is wrong. Number two, the lying and deceiving is also not something permissible in the sharia. You can't deceive anyone. So I don't know why the person wouldn't want to just say to the people, I don't want to answer your questions. And they can clearly say that.